In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Myfxbook Position Size Calculator. So you can actually just use the calculator as is even if you don't log in. But if you want to create an account on the Myfxbook, you can head over and do so by clicking onto this sign up option on their actual website, which is myfxbook.com. You can head over and sign up, or if you already have one, head over and click on sign in. With this, you can easily track your investments as well as your forex. So what you can do is you can head over and search in here for Myfxbook forex calculator's position size, and you can see in here the position size calculator. For this part, you can just choose in here the currency pair that you wish to use. For example, you can choose in here GBP odd as well as USDs and the likes. So for example, let's just use in here Euro SGD, and you can choose in here your account currency and choose in here your account size. So for example, let's input right here our actual account size, which is your account balance. Let's input 1000 and input right here the risk ratio that you would want. Let's just input in here 60% risk ratio. You can have and swap it with money if you would want instead of ratio as well. So if you want to swap it with money, you can just multiply the percentage that we have inputted. So on 1000, that will be 600. Now in here, you can just put in here the stop loss. So for example, if it exceeds 400, and you can also input right here the trade size that you wish to want, and head over and click on this calculate. After that, you can see in here the results. We have the risk ratio of 60% with units of 19,251 and sizing of 0.02 lots right here. So this position size is calculated for this pair, which means that you have in here the risk percentage of this one. And in here, this actually helps to determine the optimal trade volume in lots. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.